So we just talked about the volume of rectangular prisms. So let's take just a couple of moments here and talk about the volume of cubes. We're going to look at the volume of cubes and how to find the volume of cubes. Now, if you notice, a cube is just another type of rectangular prism. But what is special about this kind of rectangular prism? What is special about a rectangular prism that is known as a cube? Well, you can see very clearly what is special. It has 3 dimensions, length times width times height, but they are all the same length. So our length times our width times our height, in this case, our length is 10 feet, and our width is 10 feet, and our height is 10 feet. So we have 10 times 10 times 10. And 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. 1,000, in this case, feet cubed. Remember, we're finding volume, so our units will always be cubed. We have a cube, we have length times width times height. Now, that brings us to an interesting question. We know that we can find the area using length times width times height because a cube is a type of rectangular prism. But how else could we write the formula for finding the volume of a cube? Well, let's take a look at it. Here we have 10 times 10 times 10. Well, that's one side multiplied by itself 3 times. Can you think of a way that we can say something multiplied by itself 3 times? We used it with our unit cubed. So let's say we'll call all our sides S. Call our side S. Now, we can use S cubed, where S is equal to side. So S is our side. And we're going to multiply our side times our side times our side. So that will give us side cubed. That is another way to find the volume, or another way to talk about how to find the volume of a cube. And again, it's really just length times width times height. In this case, 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the third, which is side cubed. Either one of those will work. Most of the time you're going to see for a cube that they want to refer to it as side cubed. 10 times 10 times 10. And that should get you ready for section 12.4.